Java is not JavaScript. Java is not JavaScript. This is what I need to repeat several times during some of our training sessions when we go through job requirements. Java is not JavaScript. So guys, if you are also interacting with IT professionals or hiring managers, you also need to be aware of this difference between Java and JavaScript. So I have it still here from the previous class. So let me just tell you, okay? Java is a programming language and JavaScript is also a programming language, and they are totally different, right? The word or the four letters Java are probably, I know what they have in common, but otherwise not much. Both Java and JavaScript can be used for backend software development and front-end software development, so the server-side logic and front-end what users can see. So you can also recognize some of the frameworks, for example, Spring or Hibernate. This is what the developers use. It's like templates, kind of like templates on your computer. For example, in Microsoft Word or whatever, spreadsheet, you have also some templates, right? So frameworks are some templates. So Spring or Hibernate are some of these templates. And on the front-end side, so on the user interface side, Android applications can be created using Java programming language. However, on the JavaScript side, you can see also front-end and back-end. But on the back-end side, there is no JS framework. And on the front-end side is Angular and React. So now, why is this important? Well, because if you are looking on or you are talking to a hiring manager and they say, we need a Node.js developer. So then, they are looking for a JavaScript backend developer because Node.js is only used on the backend side, right? And if you are looking at a job requirement, some job description, and it's written a JavaScript React developer, well then again, they're looking for a front-end developer. So someone who will build websites, front-end websites. And if they say they are looking for Android developer, well then it's very likely the software developer will need to build the apps using Java. So this is a relatively easy mind map to digest, and it simplifies your life as a recruiter significantly. So this is only what I can recommend you guys. I'm a big fan of mind maps. You can also see one of the mind maps on my wall here, just to remind me some of these frameworks. And yeah, like there is so much more, because there is abundance of frameworks and technologies IT professionals use. And in fact, I've been working in IT for over 15 years and I still don't recall all this. So I've been working on some mind maps and guides, etc. So if you'd like to download some of my materials, just click the link below and download the ebook. You can also join our training session. It's a session I prepare for fellow HR specialists, talent acquisition managers, recruiters, headhunters, talent hunters. And when we also go through some of these most popular roles and look at the terminology, the technology, the frameworks, the language these professionals use. So this is something you may also find useful. The next class is, let's say, I'll just put it here on the table so I'm not moving too much. The next class is in December. It is on December 8, 9 and 10. We are going to go through several job requirements, so how to analyze them, how to extract some meaningful information out of it, how to find candidates, how to figure out who is a good match for a particular technical job description. And we are only focusing on IT roles. There is abundance of opportunities in IT, so if you are already in IT or you are transitioning from non-tech recruitment to IT recruitment, you will find this really useful. I've been in this game for lots of years. When I think about my engagement in IT, it started over 15 years ago. The first person I recruited in IT was about 9 years ago. I've been working as a CTO, hiring and firing software developers and IT professionals. for, I don't know, 5 years or more, and now I'm recruiting for my clients. So I'm also sharing some of my best practices during the training, what works for me, how to engage with IT professionals, how to get them excited about an opportunity. So it's much more than just IT training. This is just the beginning, right? Understanding the essentials is what it usually starts with, but then we need to look at how to use some of these marketing best practices and sales best practices to get the recruitment process is moving, so we can fill these IT roles. Okay, so if you'd like to join that training in December, just go to training.geekrecruiters.com and I'll see you inside.